Alright, just a little update on the stump grinder. I got the other one welded up over there. I just kind of letting it cool off. Meanwhile, I was working on this other one, notching it out, like I was trying to say. If you look right here, that's that wing that goes up and down through the wheel. I've notched that out so it'll fit in there tight. Plus, so this wheel here will fit flush in there, and that thing ain't gonna move. Get good traction for the other wheel. And you can see my line I got drawn down through here to make it line up with that wing, so that whenever I get ready to put in my J-bolts, they'll line up with these holes. I'm not sure how they'll line up and down, but they'll line up in line anyway. I may have to bend the bolt just a little bit to make it come out where I want it to. Anyway, the J-bolts come through here and through the new wheel, and then those two bolts will be the only thing holding this new wheel on, other than right here. I'll just put butt bolts and nuts and mount this onto the new wheel, and it should work, I think. I don't see why not. Anyway, that's what I got so far. I'm gonna go ahead and work on the other one, try to get it straightened up, and then probably the next thing you'll see is either me making some J-bolts, or I may wait till I get the whole wheels on here, because then I'll know exactly how long they're going to have to be. So, that's the update. Thanks for watching.